Bhavna Kumar and welcome back to my channel. So last week I had put up a butterfly eye makeup look in Tamil and there were few people who commented on the video like, can you put the video in English or Hindi so that we can understand. So that time I understood why not put all my eye creative makeup videos in English or Hindi so that more people can understand than a set of people. So today I'm gonna do the cheetah eye makeup look. I've done a cheetah eye makeup look before on my Instagram for my reels, but it had different shades like green and orange. Today I'm gonna do the proper shades like the brown shades and black. So let's get into the video. Ta-ta. So the main work is gonna be on the eyes. I'm gonna do my base very fast, very quickly because the base is gonna be same. So the first thing I'm gonna do is clip my hair so that it doesn't come in between while doing the makeup. I use these clips. I bought like one for 5 rupees. So I'm going to apply moisturizer. I like to use this moisturizer before makeup. I think it seals my face nicely and gives hydration with all the makeup on it. So now I'm gonna wait for the moisturizer to absorb on my face. So now I'm gonna go with the Blue Heaven primer. I first apply it over here more and then spread it like this because I have more pores here and I want to cover those pores. So first I apply it here nicely and then take it over to the sides of my face. Now after applying to the face, what I'm gonna do is take primer like little bit and apply it on my eyelids because I'm gonna do a lot of makeup on my eyelids, so I like to apply it on the eyelids as well. If you have eye primer, you can also use that for your eyelids. Now I'm gonna let the product breathe into my skin for few seconds. Always when you apply product, make sure like before applying every product, give it like 5 to 6 seconds for the product to breathe into your skin. Now I'm gonna take the LA Girl corrector to correct my face. I have a lot of dark circles. That's because I don't sleep on time, and then I also have pigmentation around my mouth and I have got a lot of acne spots. So now you can see the corrector is all over my face. Now I'm gonna use my fingers. I'm gonna mostly use my ring finger and my middle finger to evenly tap it. So I'm just gonna do tap mostly like this. I'm not gonna rub it. So now I'm done with the corrector. I'm gonna take the foundation. The foundation I'm gonna use is from Maybelline Fit Me. It's the 330 Toffee shade. If you're doing a quick makeup or a very long process makeup, I think the one thing you have to take your most time is in dapping the foundation. The way you tap your foundation is so important, and the more you properly take your time and tap, the foundation is gonna look very nice and flawless on your skin. So I literally take my time while doing my foundation. So now I'm done with applying the foundation. I'm just gonna do few taps like this all over the face so that if there's any excess, if you feel that dark circles are more, you can go on and add on concealers. Today I'm gonna apply concealer because lately I've got a lot of dark circles because my sleeping pattern has become so bad. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me 50 Cafe. So once you're done with it, what I'm gonna do is take my loose powder. This is from Maybelline Fit Me. Again, I'm gonna take the 30 medium deep foundation loose powder. Okay, so now we are going to do the eye part. So for the eye part, you will need thin brushes like these two brushes. Like it's little thin, or you can also go on with this eyeliner brush. And if you have a flat brush like this, it will also work. Mostly I use these 4 brushes for detailed stuff. And now this is a very optional step. Always before an eyeshadow, putting a base eyeshadow for creative eye looks, I apply concealer. No one would tell you, but it's I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me 40 Caramel. So I'm gonna take this and draw like a base, like a canvas. So always while applying eye makeup, make sure you hold your mirror down over here and you see there, so that it's easy for you to draw. Otherwise, if you're holding it this way, you're gonna poke your eyes. And I'm gonna come closer and not talk. So now if you see, I have put a base with the concealer on my left eye. According to whatever shape you want, you can put the base on. So I'm gonna do the same thing to this eye. The reason why you want the concealer, it's gonna quickly catch the base concealer for you. The only problem I have with my makeup is that I can never match the left and right side. So now I have applied concealer on both. Okay, so now I'm gonna take these two palettes from Makeup Revolution. I got these palette together for like 700 rupees and I thought this was a very good deal. So I have brown shades, like major brown shades in this palette, and a few brown, like only two browns here and here. So I'm thinking to go with this as my base. What I'm gonna do is take a flat brush like this. You see this brush. If you want, you can also take a rose water or any water and spray on your thing and let it dry like this for few seconds and then apply. And now you have to apply the base eyeshadow on your areas where you have applied the concealer. So I am done with the base over here. I'm gonna do the same on my right eye. So now what I'm gonna do is, this is a very optional step. Since the base I've applied is almost to my skin tone, I'm gonna take a lighter shade, like an orange shade over here, a little light on the border. I'm just gonna spread it. Cover it with orange shade so it doesn't look too plain on the eye. For fair skin people, I think it's gonna look really nice. But if you're a dusky skin person like me, if you add this extra color, it's gonna pop your cheetah eye. I'm gonna apply the same color here as well. So now I'm done with applying the second shade as well. Now what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna take my eyeliner. You can take any eyeliner. I'm gonna take the LA18 eyeliner, and you will need an eyeliner brush. So I'm gonna make random spots like how you see. So I'm done doing the print type on the right eye. So now I'm done doing the prints on both the sides. Now next thing I'm gonna do is, you need to make sure your hands are very steady while doing this. This is very optional, but I like to do it. What we're gonna do is, we are gonna draw a border, so like an outline. So make sure your brush is very pointed and properly loaded with the eyeliner. So this is the look. So this is what I'm going to do on this eye as well. So as you see, I'm done on both the sides. Now I'm not that impressed with the lining, but I like it. So I'm done with this. If you see, it's like looking okay. Now I'm gonna add eyeliner, so like that. Now I'm gonna do the, can you see the difference in this and this side? So I'm gonna do the same thing on this eye as well. Take the mascara. I'm taking the Maybelline Colossal mascara. I'm gonna apply the mascara very nicely, because here I have all the eyeshadow. So I'm gonna make sure I'm gonna nicely. Mascara, I'm gonna do the kajal, because I want a lot of black. For the kajal, I have the LA18. loose powder, and I'm gonna take lightly, and then I'm gonna run it over my face like this. I like to do this after my eyeshadow. I'm gonna add blush. Before that, I feel my lips are very dry, so I'm gonna take my Himalaya lip balm and add a little bit of this. I'm gonna tap the blusher. This is like from a local store. It doesn't have a proper brand. It says Huda, but it is fake, guys. So I'm gonna take the blush. I'm gonna tap the excess color. I'm gonna take the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. I think this works very well. I'm gonna apply it over here. Next, I'm also gonna take a flat brush again, highlighter, and I'm gonna draw an exclamatory mark and then gonna blend it. Next, I'm gonna apply over here. I have this khadda over here. I like to put my highlighter there as well. Honestly, for lipstick, I just use this lip liner. Sometimes like to overline my lips. It depends on my mood. Once I'm done, I'm gonna again take my highlighter, another round of highlighter. Next, I'm gonna apply it over here to make my eyebrows look a little uplifted. Next, I'm gonna take like a very patla sa brush and I'm gonna take the highlighter and I'm gonna apply it to the inner corner. So our makeup is done. This is what our cheetah eye looks. I'm gonna come a little closer and show you. Before that, I'm just gonna comb my hair nicely. Okay, like that. Nicely. Oh, I can't find my comb as well. Okay guys, so this is the overall look. I'm gonna come a little closer and show you guys the eye makeup. So that was the cheetah eye makeup look. If you see, I feel the right side has become a little big and looks nice. The left one looks a little small. I hope the next time I get both the sides of proper size. But I'm loving how it has come out. Also, I just want to let this out that I am not a pro or I have not learned makeup. All these things I do is after doing a lot of experiments. So I'm not a professional again. So this is how the makeup has come. I am liking it. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys liked this cheetah eye makeup look, and if you guys tried, make sure to tag me or send in your photos to me. I would love to look at it. And make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.